tutorial. This is my first Blender tutorial, so let's start. Today we're gonna make a simple coffee mug. So let's just first select everything and delete, and make a new object. You can do Shift A or add, and then we want to select the cylinder. Scale it up a little, and on the Z-axis S and then Z to scale on the Z-axis, S to scale on the normal, and go press tab to go into edit mode, and then we want to select face select. So basically we can do edge select. It lets us drag around vertex select, edge select, or face select, and we'll go ahead and go and select the top face and press delete and faces, or we can just press X and then faces. But I like delete. Now we have like a base to make it, and we are gonna do Control R or Command R if you're on a Mac. We're gonna add 4 loops, so let's just scroll up when we did Control R to put it on this. And now you can change where they are, but just select and just click escape. So now they are on the middle. Now you can do like do face select. You can also press 1, 2, 3 to do this. Select this face. Wait. Select. So go in orthographic view by clicking like here, and then you want to go click the middle ones here. Oh no. Click first this one, and then hold shift to select more, and click this one. Now I have this. Now we are going to use the spin tool. Make sure you have the right axis selected, so in my case is this. And then before we do this, now it's not gonna work, as you can see. But you can go like this, and it's going to rotate around this point. So what we want to do is get the cursor and set it to where you want to rotate it around. You can just zoom in, and I like it right about here. You know what? Let's just do here. And then now we're going to the spin tool again, and now it should pretty much do like it's supposed to. Just don't just get it through here, but don't actually connect it yet, because we want to now select tool again, and we want to select this one, and now holding shift, we want to do this, and also this one and this one. And now you want to do right click, and then where is it, bridge faces. It's gonna connect them. So now you have a coffee mug. It's not that detailed though, so we're gonna go to modifiers, add modifier, and the first one we wanna add is solidify. So you can just drag this around to make it a little more like this, and we are going to add another modifier, and bevel, so it looks a little better. So here we have bevel, and just do the segments to like 5 maybe, so it's looks nice. And then you can while holding shift, else it's gonna be very yeah, like this. But while holding shift, you're gonna this we're gonna set it to the max here, and 5, and then shade smooth. So now you have a simple, pretty much simple coffee mug. Now we are done with the um, model itself. I'm gonna just give it a little bit of a nice look, just so get this one. Just and click here, so we can takes a little bit of time, but so we can see the colors basically. It's taking a little bit long to load. Oh yeah, there it is. And now we're gonna click here on the materials tab and click new, and it's gonna take a little bit again. um yeah, and now we are here, and we can adjust the color like you want, like you can make it like this red color or something. And we can go into the rendered view now if you want to actually render the image. But now you can see it's all black, and that's because we don't have light. So what are we gonna do is Shift A or add, and we are going to light, and now we're going to make choose anything you want. I like to use point for this one, so let's just put it here and make the power. Just drag it here in the light tab, and let's just make it a little bit more stronger, like this. And if you want to light it from more spots, you can do Shift D if you want. So now it's lighted from these two spots, and like this, and maybe another one around here. uh, Around there. Move them around. So now it looks pretty good. And now if you want to actually render it also, you are going to render it from the camera. But the problem is that the camera currently, we have deleted the camera. So we're gonna go Shift A again and add a camera. Now don't get this around stuff. You can take the no, you can move it. Don't move it around. You like manually. Well, you can do that, but I'm gonna use this method and choose an angle you want to get a picture from it from. And now I want to do view, view, align active camera to view. So now it's gonna render this. I like also to set with move orientation to local. So now I can do select the camera here and do G, so I can move it around, like align it properly. And when that's done, you are going to want to go to output here and set the output to let's say just downloads, and make sure it's PNG. Then we can go like render image, and what it's now gonna do, it's going to render basically the image. So wait a little bit here, and here we have the image basically. So now we can go image, save, and downloads, and now we can give it a name, coffee, save as image.